we look back, as I think the first one was really to understand what CPQ is, how it fits into your environment, and understand the high-level end-to-end process of CPQ. Then you should have this prioritized business requirements list, as we discussed, and keep in mind the distinction that Steve drew with if you already have a tool or if you don't have the tool, so that determines a little bit of the effort that you're putting in this. You have, third, you document and fix, hopefully, any business process challenges that you have before you implement the tool, so know what you want to fix and how the tool should help you to fix this. Plan for change management. Use your own resources for this as much as possible. Get some part-time help if needed. Then number 5, have knowledgeable CPQ management resource available. In general, you have project management, but CPQ has some specialties that you should be aware of. That's why it would be important to have them available. You want to determine and plan for all the data interactions that you need, or the exchanges between the systems. We mentioned it before, the customer relationship management system, your configure price quote system, and your enterprise resource planning system, because the data is moved back and forth between these systems. And last but not least, you want to gather the product catalog information to see how can users actually take advantage of what you've set up.
Okay, that's great. That's 7 best practices for preparing for a CPQ project. And as I said at the beginning, we were prompted to find an expert like Frank to help us put this out there and in the hands of people who are looking at implementing CPQ or implementing it themselves. We have many of our customers at Model N who have implemented CPQ on their own. They've been able to do this because the product has been designed not only to be friendly to the salespeople using it, but also to the people who are creating the CPQ system and managing the system and changing the system, which we think is very important. We've created these packages that consist of a guide, really one of our customer success implementation experts who works with the customer through the self-implementation process. That include training and workshops on each of these processes that you talked about, and how to create the catalogs, how to build the models, all the rules that are associated, and also help them roll it out, implement them. And the process is very iterative, where they're set up, they're worked with, they come back with the models, or they come back with the catalogs. Our guides take a look at them, give them best practices, make improvements. But it really helps the owner of the CPQ system, as you talked about, absorb that information and become very self-sufficient. And, of course, if there are customizations that are required or integrations to the ERP, we can add some resources to do that, or you can turn to partners like Novus CPQ Consulting and other partners who can help you really think through that and implement that as well.